Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2011 Volkswagen Golf Trendline, stock reference number 5435. This shape runs from the 10th month 2008 through to the 3rd month 2013. It has a CAXA 1.4 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine, turbo petrol engine, backed by an automatic front-wheel drive transmission. CAXA 1.4 litre 4-cylinder turbo petrol engine. We have the radiator grille, right-hand headlights, tidy front bumper cover, left headlight, left guard piece to have no damage, left front 15-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, left power door mirror, bonnet piece to have no damage, with the left-hand tailgate garnish, tailgate piece to have no damage, right-hand tailgate garnish, right-hand tail light, right rear 15-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, right power door mirror, and a right front 15-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with grey cloth interior, automatic console, automatic gear shifter, heated controls, single stack CD player, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, left sun visor, right sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke leather steering wheel with audio and phone buttons.